What is up, guys? Welcome to another vlog. Today is my day off and I'm not doing much, just doing stuff around the house. I gotta return these oil filters that I've had here forever. Been lazy to just take them to AutoZone or Riley's, so I'm gonna be doing that today. And the main video is gonna be the painting or clear coating that we did on Fishy's car parts. So, but first I gotta do all this stuff before I edit the video. Oh yeah, so I also need to get a GoPro, what do you call it? The GoPro case that goes around the actual camera. The one that I had sort of broke. Like the little latch that secures the GoPro inside broke, so I need to go buy one of those because I've been holding the actual camera. Can you see that? So even if I wanted to mount it somewhere, I couldn't because it doesn't have the case that has the actual mounting hardware. So I gotta go buy one of those. Let's go. Good morning, guys. Starting off eating breakfast, some McDonald's. And Fishy has McDonald's even though on his days off he still eats McDonald's. What's up, Sheila?
I swear to God, they put an addicted into that fucking food.
It's still good, man. Check this out.
Pizza and McDonald's every day. I swear to God, that's all we eat. It took me a while to find the 10mm. I couldn't find it, but I found it. Well, he's covering up his Evo, and I'm gonna go take off the lights off my Celica. Well, anyways, I'm gonna be taking off the lights because Shu keeps saying we should change the lights again. This is like the 4th time, and I think it's time to change them.
Alright, Fishy's cleaning his tail lights. We did a quick 2000 grit wet sandpaper to sand them down just a bit, just enough so that the paint can grab on. And we're going to be using the VHT can to make his tail lights just a little bit darker. And then after that we're going to use another VHT, but it's the one to smoke them out, but we're not going to go all out on them.
Shu just did a first coat on the first tail light, and this is how it is right now. We signed it with a 2000, and that's how it looks right now. I don't know. I kind of like how they are right now.
Alright, guys, so while Fishy's over there sanding his side skirts, I think he already did the front lip. Did you do the front lip?
Yep.
It's time to hit the tail lights with the tint. So let's do this.
Alright guys, so we underestimated the screwdriver. It had white paint on it still, and I mixed it with that, which was a bad idea. I should have cleaned it, but I thought it was dry. Sure. And the clear coat burned through the paint, so now the clear coat's mixed with white. I wonder how it's going to turn out now. He says it should be okay. I don't think it's going to be okay. I don't think anything is okay. Wow, they look a lot darker. They look like an FRS. Look at that. Alright, you can see it from here. It's shiny. But if we get it from, I don't know if you guys can tell, but from this angle, it looks fucking wet. Look at that. And as for right here, it has like a little small dent. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it doesn't even matter. It still looks fucking... Ah, there's a bug!
Here are the lights, guys. Check them out.
I don't like them.
Yeah, you do. Fish likes them. He always says he doesn't like anything. So they're just a little tinted. I don't think he'll get pulled over.
I see darker people. Not darker people, but I mean
darker people. Are you going racist, fish?
No, I mean people with darker tint. Okay guys, so we finished the skirts. Now it's onto the hood.
No, we did the tail lights too.
We did the tail lights too.
Well, they just saw that we did the tail lights.
Well, they saw. Okay, they saw. Now we're on the hood.
Well, what do you think about the tail lights?
I like them. They look dark, but okay. Wait, what way are you spraying?
I go around the corner.
Why?
Because then after I go like this all the way across the hood, I forgot the corners and we'll do it together.
There's a stupid bug that landed on the fucking hood as always. So I'm gonna get creative. I'm gonna try to take it off with this.
Make sure nothing drips off that thing.
I know. Fuck it. Right. Here we go. The point is for them not to see.
Just leave it, fish. You can sand it later. It's gonna get worse, and he's still gonna be there.
He won't come off.
2 coats at the bottom of the lip.
What?
All right. You don't need that much clear coat.
Yeah, I do.
No, you don't. Nobody sees it.
Mechanics see under there.
Nobody sees. So we're just gonna put like 1 or 2, all right? And then I know you're gonna scratch it when you go up your driveway at your house. There you are.
No, I won't.
I seen your fish. You go straight at it.
Fuck parking on the driveway from now on.
You're gonna in the street.
Yeah.
Damn, you're gonna get jacked. They're gonna see a fresh new Celica right there, and they're gonna get jacked.
Never mind. I'll keep it in the driveway.
So if you guys drive low cars and you know how to go on dips and bumps, tell Fishy how to go over them, so that way he doesn't break his lip. So I can't believe this was a $20 lip that you got.
Yep.
Damn, how much do they usually go for? Like this one right here.
150 to 180.
$150 for a lip, non-painted, and Fish got it for 20 bucks. But you had to drive a long way, huh?
Yeah.
How long did you drive?
San Clemente. That was like an hour drive, and it took 3 hours to like come back. 2 to 3 hours.
An hour drive and 3 hours to come back just for this lip. But was it worth it? You're going too fast. In case you guys were wondering what kind of compressor I'm using, here it is. It's an 8-gallon. So I think I should have gone with a bigger size, but it's all I could afford for that day when I went to go buy it.
Hey, so what's the difference?
For what?
Compressors. Talk to me about compressors.
I don't know about compressors, man.
Then why do you have one?
I don't know. I don't even know why I got one.
Wait, are you supposed to add oil to it?
Yeah.
Do you add oil?
I haven't added oil since I bought it, but you can see the little gauge right here. It tells you how much oil it has.
Oh, it's full.
I can't use it. Fish is struggling. Look at his neck. What's going on under there, fish? You know what you're doing?
Yep.
You got it?
Nope. I want to get there.
This thing shines so much.
Back going.
Bling bling. Look at that. Kind of looks like a FRS, man. Don't you guys think it looks like a FRS?
It looks different.
Look at it. It looks like FRS.
The hood looks twice as shiny.
She looks mean now. Look at her.
Now that we
Just wait till I show you guys the back. Check out those tail lights.
We should clear coat the entire car again.
Look at those tail lights. Damn. Now she looks like she's hiding something. Hell yeah. Alright guys, so there you have it. There's the video. Like I said, it's my day off today, so I had some time to edit the video. I'm excited to see how the car comes out and how it's going to look with the side skirts, the lip. We still got to buff out and make the tail lights nice and clear and shiny. The hood came out pretty good. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. If you guys are new to the channel, please subscribe. It's gonna help me, Fishy, Jose, the whole crew. Hopefully we start doing more stuff to the cars. I don't know if I want to get a JDM bumper yet for the Evo, or maybe a different front bumper. But anyways, thanks for watching. See you guys next time.